Hey Calgary, it's Angelique, your real estate BFF, here with your May 2026 real estate market update. April continued to show a market that's becoming more balanced overall, with inventory improving and buyers having more choice compared to last year. Sales eased slightly year over year, while days on market continued to trend higher as buyers became more selective and less rushed in their decision making. When you break it down by property type, the differences are still pretty significant. Detached homes remain the strongest segment overall, sitting at just over 2 months of supply citywide, with tighter conditions continuing in many areas of the city. Row homes and semi-detached properties stayed relatively balanced, with inventory gains creating a bit more breathing room for buyers compared to last year. And apartment condos continued to show the biggest shift, with supply sitting above 4 months and prices down nearly 9% year over year as inventory levels continue to rise and sales remain softer than last spring. Some Northwest and West detached markets are still sitting under 2 months of supply, which is why certain neighborhoods are continuing to feel pretty competitive despite the broader market balancing out. Meanwhile, the Northeast continues to stand out with higher supply relative to demand, and detached benchmark prices there are down more than 8% year over year, creating softer conditions overall, especially in apartment and row style properties. In the surrounding regions, Cochrane and Okotoks are still holding relatively steady with tighter supply, while Airdrie is looking more balanced overall as inventory continues to improve. So buyers, conditions vary a lot depending on both the property type and area of the city right now. Some segments are giving buyers more negotiating power again, while others are still moving quickly when priced properly. And sellers, buyers have more options now than they did last year, so pricing and presentation matter much more. The properties that are standing out are the ones that feel well positioned and move-in ready. That's all for now. See you next month.